हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी, यस वी आर इन ट्रेन. So as you guys have probably guessed by the title of today's video is going to be making slime in a moving train, or how to make slime in train. So here is our bowl, as you guys can see, and this is the train table, and just look at the view, you guys. Everything is like so satisfying. By the way, if you guys are hearing an echo, that is because I just reached Jaipur and I am in an empty house. So abhi hamara saman nahi aaya, and that is why we have an echo in the house. So as you guys can see, this is our slime bowl. And now, without talking much, let's get started with today's video. So yeah, so guys, the main thing is that today's slime recipe is no glue and no borax slimes. And yeah guys, let me tell you guys why I am making slime in train. Because you guys, I have been packing all the stuff in my old house from like 2 weeks, but I still managed to upload 1 week and I didn't manage to edit last week. That is why so many of you guys have been like, commenting what happened, are you not making slime anymore? So here is the slime, and the first no glue ingredient is this peel off face mask, and the second ingredient, that is the activator, is this contact lens solution. Now you guys, I really love making videos, but sometimes it is not ideal to make videos. So now let me tell you guys, now I have free time, so I am making this slime for you guys. So yeah, now without talking much, let's get started with today's recipe. And yeah, this is going to be super easy. So if you are traveling in the train, then you guys can even make it too. So now first I'll show you guys the scenery, because I don't know, I just keep on getting distracted by the sceneries, because you guys can hear what the actual audio was. That is why I am like doing a voiceover, but it was just amazing. And yeah, now let's just take our bowl, and now let's start making our slime. So first ingredient is our peel off face mask. So I have it not for making slime purposes, I just at the moment decided to make slime, just because I had a very long day ahead of me in the train. So I thought like I can make a very special video for you guys. So yeah, like nobody else did it. I guess I am the first one to make slime in train, probably, fingers crossed. But I thought in India no one yet hopefully had made slime in train. So yeah, I think I am the first one. So yeah, this is how the peel off face mask the gold dust. But oh my god, you guys, it is actually going to be a very train inspired metallic blue slime. So here I am using this pearl blue shade to make our train special slime. So yeah, now I am just going to open it, but you guys just literally look at it. The lake just looked so good. I cannot, you guys, it looked really pretty. Like, can you guys even see that? Oh my god, like it is just amazing, and it just hit me that I should show you. So yeah, now let's mix this metallic pearl blue color. So yeah, let's take out a bunch of this color, and just mix it. And now you guys, it kind of looks, a little bit greenish, or as you can see, like it looks kind of rusty brown shade, but trust the process, you guys, it is going to be like super super pretty metallic blue shade in the end. Just you know trust in the process, it is going to be amazing, and you guys will literally love it. And just please 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 don't mind the traffic in the background. Like it is kind of like, it is already like 11 p.m, but still there is like so much traffic. I don't know why, but yeah, whatever, that is exactly why I'm speaking so low, because my parents and my brother is sleeping outside. But can you guys see that our train actually stopped at that place? So like we had a lot of time to just look at it and just appreciate this amazing nature, just next level. So now we are back to slime making, and we are just going to mix until the pigment and the blue color is mixed, and then we are going to add our second ingredient, that is optional. You guys can add baking soda, but in train, if you are traveling with, we were actually traveling with all the kitchen supplies, so I had baking soda. But if you guys don't have baking soda, don't worry, you guys, it is enough. Just the contact lens solution is enough, and just keep on adding contact lens solution. So now I am going to mix and activate our slime, and also some parts are fast forwarded, so you don't have to wait and see like a 40-minute footage. So yeah, I think this one is not fast forwarded, but the other ones are a bit fast forwarded. So yeah, now we are just going to mix everything together, and we'll just keep on activating and activating and activating. Guys, now our slime is activated, so to knead it you need to just add a little bit of contact and solution on your hands and then just rub it, and now just knead it like that and everything will be like amazing. It will not stick to your hand at all, and yeah, just keep on kneading it and kneading it until you have an amazing shimmery metallic pearly slime, and this just looks so good. It formed some weird air bubbles, probably the paint reacted to the gold foil or something, but so yeah, fantastic. That was pretty much it, and I hope you really liked this. So as you guys can see, this really matches the train table and all the seats color and everything, and this just looks so good, so metallic. Let me know in the comments how you like the slime or not, and if you will make it at home or not, and make sure to comment down below any slime dares, because we are going to do many more fantastic tries it parts. Some I have already shot in Hyderabad, and I'll soon be shooting here in Jaipur as well. So if you guys want to know all the insights about how I packed and moved to Jaipur, vlog and everything, so just subscribe and hit that bell notification, because our full on vlog is coming real soon. Just give me like 1 to 2 weeks, you guys. I will be started all the fun stuff again. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.